Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the steps that we take to schedule an exam. In this case, the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate or the PL300 exam. So let's start. So the first step is you just go to Google and so you just type in schedule PL300 exam and it throws a few links. You just follow the first link. Just make sure it points to the Microsoft site and you click on that and it takes you to the site where you can schedule an exam. So there's a yellow button and you click on that button and then it asks if you've never taken a Microsoft exam. It will ask you to fill the profile. Otherwise, you can just carry on with this if your profile is already filled. And after that, you check if there are any discounts available or if you're eligible for any discounts. Just apply any discount in case you have any coupons with you. So for this one, we'll specifically talk about the online version of the exam. So you select of all the multiple options available, you select the online option, and then you select the language in which you want to take the exam. So once you've done that, you have to agree to the conditions of the exam. So it'll be conditions like they'll monitor you, they will use facial recognition, and there are some other conditions. So you agree to that. And then you select the options which the proctor can communicate with you. So there are only two options, English and Japanese. You select either of them, whichever works for you. And then you confirm the time zone. So which time zone are you in? So when you confirm the exam time, it is according to your local time zone. So you just select the time zone that you're in. And once you've selected the time zone that you're in, you schedule the exam. So you select the date and then you select the time. And once you've selected the time and the date, it just tells you or prompts you to proceed to checkout, where you can fill in your credit card details and just select checkout, and you're ready to take the exam. So these are the steps that you need to take when you are scheduling an exam. And I hope you find this video useful. And yeah, let me know if you've still got any queries. Cheers. Bye.